boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. We are going to have fun today, boys and girls. And I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And Miss Nicole.
Hi.
And Miss Emily.
Hi.
And Mr. Carter.
Hi.
And guess what? Do you know what we're going to be making today? We're going to be making Goodnight Oatmeal.
What does that mean?
Well, I could say Goodnight Oatmeal. You could say it that way too. Because you know why?
What?
We're going to make it right now, put it in the refrigerator, and we can, before we shut the refrigerator door, we can go, Goodnight Oatmeal. And we shut the refrigerator door and we go to bed, and the oatmeal goes to bed. And then in the morning, we can open up the refrigerator and take out our oatmeal and say, good morning, and we can eat it. What do you think about that?
Oh.
You think so? Okay. So we can go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
This is really simple, boys and girls, and I think you're going to love it. And guess what?
What?
I have already made some. I made some last night, and it's in our refrigerator, so you're going to get to taste it.
Did you say goodnight, oatmeal?
Uh-huh. But I haven't said good morning to it yet. So you'll get to say good morning and eat it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, find your 1/4 cup measuring cup.
Found it.
Mm-hmm.
This
And
found
why do you think that's the 1/4
1/4
cup?
This one because it says 1/4.
That's right. Boys and girls, you'll need a, yes, Emily, see, do you see? It says 1, and then a line, which is a slash, and then a 4. See that? That's 1/4 cup. So you're going to take put 1/4 cup of oatmeal in your bowls.
Like this?
You got to make sure, boys and girls, when you're measuring, make sure you get it even. Whoa, wait, look what Ben's doing.
Had to use it.
And look what Nicole's doing. Good job.
How many?
1. You'll just need one. 1/4 cup.
And then are we going to get a teaspoon of that?
Well, you might. Boy, you know what? You're very good in the kitchen, Ben. I think you'd make a very good chef.
I got it.
Yay, Emily! That's awesome!
Miss Cinda, look what I'm going to do to fill mine up.
And boys and girls, did you see how they're using a knife to level it off so they get an even 1/4 cup?
Do this now?
Watch Carter. He's going to level it off. Good job, Carter. And that way you get an even 1/4 cup. Okay, so now what you're going to do, Ben's right, you need 2 teaspoons of this. So that's a 1 teaspoon.
Miss Cinda,
see, it says 1.
I picked up exactly 1.
Oh, you did, didn't you?
Which one?
This is 1. See, it says 1 teaspoon, 1 TSP. So you're going to fill that twice and put that in your bowl. So you're going to need 2 of them.
1, 2. Is this good, Miss Cinda?
Whoops, not anymore. It's not. But that's okay because do you know what Miss Cinda says?
Are those seeds?
What do I say?
We always have fun cleaning up.
That's right. It's okay if you make a mess, boys and girls. We'll have fun cleaning up because cleaning up can be fun too.
Miss Cinda, look what we're doing.
Oh.
We're using something else to fill it up.
Well, that's a good idea. Oh, you might want to scrape it out over your bowl, though. There you go. There you go.
So I need 2 of these?
Boys and girls, these are chia seeds that we're putting in. And we're putting in 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. And chia seeds are really healthy for you. And they don't have a lot of taste, but that's okay because you don't need them to taste a lot, but they're very good for you. Okay. Oh, Carter, do it over the bowl. Is that your second one? No. You both have 2 in there?
Yep, I have 2.
Okay, Ben, while they're doing that, could you go in the refrigerator and get me 4 containers of yogurt?
Okay, Miss Cinda.
Thank you, Ben. Good job, Carter. Good job. You girls need to mix yours up. You stir yours up. Oh, Carter, could you help Ben?
Miss Cinda,
yes.
why do we have 4?
Because you get each one. Okay.
Oh.
Let Carter help you get the other 2.
Miss
Good
Cinda,
job. Yes.
Why do we need to put blueberries in it?
Well, you know what? You're going to
Here you
get
go,
to
Miss Cinda.
choose. Oh,
Miss Cinda,
thank
do
you.
we need this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. Because guess what? I bet the boys and girls would like to know what's in our cups here, wouldn't you? Well, this is a non-dairy yogurt. So this is an almond one. And they have different flavors, but we're using the vanilla flavor. But you can use any flavor you want in whatever your area carries, like the grocery stores in your area. Okay? So this is what this is. All right. Did you mix up your chia seeds and your oatmeal? Now pour in your yogurt. Okay, now pour in your yogurt.
Miss
And
Cinda?
all of it, and you can use your spatulas to make sure you get it all out.
What I'm doing.
Good job, Carter. Now you can use your spatula to get it all out. Where's your spatula,
Miss
Emily?
Cinda,
I want
it doesn't really want to come out.
It kind of sticks. That's why we need spatulas. Want me to help you,
I
Nicole?
can use my spoon.
No, well, you can, but a spatula might work better, Miss Emily.
Can you hold it?
Oh, sure. There you go. How about that? And then when you get it in there, you're going to mix it all up, okay? Can you get it all out?
Miss Cinda,
Yep,
look
Miss
at
Cinda.
mine. I can
Good
do that.
job. Here, Emily, let me show you what a
Miss
spatula would
Cinda,
do.
look. The seeds are all
See?
over the place.
See how you can get it all out with a spatula? So, boys and girls, if you don't have a spatula, you can use a spoon, but a spatula actually works the best because it scrapes the sides.
What
See
are
that, Emily?
Miss
It
Cinda,
scrapes the sides.
what are
Yes?
the strawberries and the blueberries for?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. So now you can put in blueberries
Miss
or
Cinda,
strawberries.
Look at this.
Good
This
job,
good,
Carter.
Miss Cinda.
That's perfect. Or you could put in both of them, and you could also put in any other kind of fruit that you have that you like. You could put in bananas and mangoes.
I can put it on you.
You could do what?
I can scrape it off for this.
Yes, you may. And
Miss
now,
Cinda, I
Yes?
like mangoes.
you do. Oh, I do too.
Me too.
Would you like blueberries?
Yes, please.
You want to take some blueberries and put some in yours, and then you can pass it to Nicole. Who wants strawberries? Okay, you have a knife, so I'm going to give you a strawberry, and you can use your mat, and you can slice them or cut them any way you want. But you don't.
I want a blueberry.
You want blueberries, Emily? Would you like strawberry too? Okay, so I'm going to put a strawberry right down here on your mat, and you can cut it with your knife that you have.
Miss
Okay.
Cinda, I was wondering what we were going to use the knife for, too. Look at mine. I'm cutting them up.
Now, remember to cut them here, Nicole. Do you want strawberries? Okay. Remember, here, Ben, cut them into bite-sized pieces because you remember you're the one that's going to be eating this. Yeah, just cut it any way you want. When you're cutting, Nicole, it helps if you hold the knife like this because you have more control, and then you can hold the berry like
Miss
this.
Cinda, I cut
Let me see your other hand. Here, let's move this. Hold the strawberry like this, and then you can cut like that. See? And then move your fingers back. Cut. Move your fingers back. Whoop.
Oops.
And if it does that, then lay it down and go like
Miss
this.
Cinda,
Yes, Ben.
It doesn't look like I cut it.
Oh, it doesn't. Look how Nicole and I are cutting. And then Nicole, you can turn it this way.
Miss
Hold
Cinda,
it
look
again.
at all these pieces.
Oh, no, that's good, Carter. See what we're doing? There. You want to do that with the other strawberry? And see how it helps to hold your knife? And Emily, would you like to learn how to cut?
I know how to cut.
Okay. Let's give Carter some blueberries. Here, Emily, you can cut your strawberry now. And boys and girls, even this isn't a sharp knife. This is a bread and butter knife, but it's sharp enough to cut the strawberry. And it's also good to, you got to move your hands over,
Miss Cinda,
Emily. See
what
when
are
you
we
go.
going to do with the jar?
Oh, just 1 minute, Mr. Ben. I'm going to show Emily how to cut. See, Emily, how we're moving our hands back? Now move your hands back again because you don't want your fingers in the way. Then lay it down, and then you can cut like that and like that. Because, see, you don't want to get your fingers in the way because that wouldn't feel good, would it? And you cut like that. There, see how you have little pieces? There you go. See if you can do that now.
Oh, that's your rag.
Watch your fingers. Good job, Emily.
Is this
Now,
good, Miss Cinda?
That's good. You might want to make these a little bit smaller because you don't want big chunks of fruit in there, boys and girls, because that would be kind of hard to chew when you're trying to eat it tomorrow morning, okay?
If I just put
Okay, put your fruit in, and then when you get it all mixed up, then let's put it in your jars, okay? You're going to spoon it into your jars. Here, Emily, let me help you. Yes?
Miss Cinda, look at all these little
Yes,
bites.
put it all in and then put it in your jar. Good job, Carter.
Okay, Miss Cinda.
Good job, Ben. Okay, Carter, let's get yours in your jar. You can put all your berries in there.
Miss Cinda, can I use our spoon to put it in?
Yes, you may.
Okay.
You absolutely may. Doesn't this look good, boys and girls? And it's easy. Okay, let's get your strawberries in here, Emily, because we need to get this in the refrigerator so you can taste it. Oh, Emily, you better, that's our kitchen timer. You better get these in your oatmeal.
Miss Cinda, look, I'm getting some blueberries for my...
Okay, now you don't want to get too much because it won't fit in your jar. Okay, let's stir it up and put it in your jar, Miss Emily. Can you get yours in your jar, Nicole?
I can barely
Okay, use your
put it
spoon and
there,
get it in
Miss
your,
Cinda.
that's why you don't want to get a lot of fruit. Okay, Ben, you can put those in the refrigerator. You can put, oh, yeah, you might want to wipe that off with your rag. See why you're not going to want to put a lot of fruit in, boys and girls? Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much.
Miss Cinda?
Okay, yes? Okay, put it in your jar. Put it in your jar. Good job. You can use your spoon too, Nicole. There you go. You got yours in?
I stirred it up.
Okay, put it in your jar. Let's put some of the oatmeal in. You're getting just some of the fruit, Miss Emily. Let's stir to the bottom. There. That's perfect. Now, would you like to put that in the refrigerator? And that, and then also, Ben, could you bring out the other ones? And that way you guys can each taste them, okay?
Sure,
Because
Miss
Miss Cinda's already made some for you guys. Boys and girls, you are going to love this. Oh, it tastes so good. And it sets up, I'll open one so you can see it. It sets up so nice and thick. It's like a thick pudding. Look. Isn't that look good? Okay, Ben, you may actually open one and try it.
Okay.
And oh, boys and girls, that's all the time we have for now. I hope you've enjoyed our cooking program. And until next time, remember that anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.